Hi guys, I know it's been a long time. I've actually been kind of sick for a while, so I didn't upload any videos. I didn't have time to make any videos. Today also I wanted to do this video, but then I forgot to kind of record it. This is like I made some shredded chicken for my kids. Like we had got this rotisserie chicken. So what I did was they kind of liked only the wing and this thing. My older kid, like he likes to eat the rotisserie chicken just like that, even though it'll be bland, he doesn't mind it. So he ate like all those, like the leg and the wings. So he ate that in the afternoon, lunchtime. And but my younger kid is very picky with food, so he doesn't like to eat that. So with the rest of the chicken, what I did was I shredded the chicken, and then I put, because he doesn't like bland, so I put like all this Indian stuff, Indian masalas in it, like the cumin, chili powder, and some cilantro leaves, and also a little bit of cilantro, the coriander powder, and and also a little bit mint leaf, and I have bell pepper and onion. So I just sorted all of them together so that it's much tastier, so that they can eat this with the tortilla. So I'm going to make that. I'm sorry I forgot to kind of record this one, but so that's how it looks. It's looking yummy. Only thing is I can't eat because I've been not feeling well for a while, so my my acidity has gone so high that I'm not able to eat any like spicy kind of food. Not. And this is like a new grill I got. I bought it, just came yesterday actually. I just used it today afternoon to make like the cheese tortilla. I just made, like I just put cheese and I tried it in this. It's the Yabano panini grill, and my friend got it for me because she has one at her house. I'd seen it and I told her, like, can you just send me the link so that I can get that? And she was like, oh okay, like don't worry about it, I'll send it over. So she ordered it for me on Amazon and it just came, and just today I used it to make the cheese one. So this is what I'm going to use to make the cheese. So I'm just going to fold the tortillas and do that. Maybe I'll show how it looks when it's done. So there is one. I just made one for him now. So I'm kind of just like doing it over the pan here. It's for my younger one because he just like wants it, slightly just like toasted like that in the pan, and then he can put the chicken in it and roll it and eat without the cheese. So that's how he wants. So I'm going to do that for him. I'm going to do this in the grill. So for my younger one, I actually have made this too. I toasted them, and now he wants the cheese in them. So I'm going to also do his also in the grill, but they're already toasted, so that's fine. So I'm going to take one of his tortilla, and then these ones actually I have not toasted or anything. So I'm just going to use that like that, and then I'm going to put the chicken. Can you see the chicken? Mm-hmm. Okay. That's my son recording. Cheese for both of them. So first I'm going to put in this one too. So that's why this one, like I did in the pan, I kind of fried it, but that was not required actually. So I put that, and then I'm going to put some cheese to just bind it together. So this is like the cheese I got from Sam's Club. It says authentic quesadilla cheese. So I got a big one. Then I'm just going to fold it like that and put it on this panini grill and fold it. And this is going to be yours.
Yay.
So, and then just close it, and what it says on there is that it's supposed to it's supposed to off this light, like you see light here. Oh, why is both the light not coming? Something I did wrong, Tina. Usually both the light has to light up. Oh wait, let me unplug it because it was on for a long time. Okay, so what they were saying was when you on it, I should see two lights and then one light should go away. That's how it was when I did in the evening. I don't know what's happening now. Okay, anyway, I'm just going to try like this and see what happens if it cooks properly. Hold on, don't do anything. Maybe the other light comes up. Because in that manual it said like both lights come up in the starting and then once you're grilling it, one light goes off. So I think this light went off and that means that it's done. But right now, I think because I'd opened it and kept and on it already, it was already hot probably. So, okay, that came up. Does that mean it's done?
No.
Or does that mean it's not done?
Once one light goes off again, then it's done. It's on. It's
Hopefully.
grilling now.
Okay, let's see. Okay, let's see. And I have some banana right there. Actually, I mixed banana sugar on there.
To make a banana
wheat.
bread.
And I'm going to make a banana bread out of that. I don't know if I have to make it right now, but okay, that'll be in the next video for you guys. Okay, what if it burns? Hold on, should I see it? Oh God. Oh, I think it's done.
The lights are still on.
Light, I don't know why the light is on. Should I wait till the light goes off?
Yeah. Because
Now one of the light is off, guys, so that means it's done. So now we can take it out. So I'm going to carefully open it.
Okay.
And then
The quesadillas are ready.
and then get that out nicely like that.
One and two.
Yeah, so get that out. 4 tortillas. These two are the ones that I had already the corn. I had already kind of heated the corn, the tortillas, but these are the other two, and that's already has been bit by my son. He already ate, but I wanted to take a picture, so I told him that keep it back here so I can take a picture of it. So there you go, whatever you call this, quesadilla.